Hi, we are presenting jsbi-cpp for TrackEdge. This is ground-up C++ 17 rewrite of Google Chrome's Lab JSBI library. The BigInt polyfill V8 ships for browsers that don't have native BigInt. Question is why JSBI specifically? JSBI isn't really a JavaScript library. It's a V8 internal MutableBigInt, downgraded to 30-bit digits so its arithmetic could survive JS2 raised to the power 53 safe integer ceiling. So here are the list of constraints in JS which is removed by C++. Capped at 2 raised to the power 53, digits shrunk to 30 bits, multiply needs manual 15-bit split. But by introducing C++, it removed this constraint. By introducing native 6040 accumulator, hold a full 30 into 30 product directly. Our architecture is dependent on 4 layers, 1 ownership rule. Original JavaScript test suite is unmodified. Thin.js bridge wrapper give its API shape it expect, and API add-on handles the JavaScript to C++ boundary and map expectation to specific correct error types. And underneath all of it, the actual math engine has 0 node or V8 dependencies. It's pure portable C++ 17. One ownership rule ties together. Every object has exactly one shared pointer owner. Everything else is a documented non-owning borrow. So 246 out of 246 original assertions are passed. 3-way fuzz iteration, which are approximately 2 lakh, about 60 seconds, they were also passed with 0 divergence, 0 draw new delete pointers, malloc of free, and 21 decision log entries. And one command npm install triggers all the thing, and then later you have to test the files and the test cases. C++ has no unsafe keywords, so we defined the bar ourselves. No manual heap management, no fake ownership, and no undefined behavior in numeric conversions. That 3-way comparison, every iteration we have compared native V8 BigInt, upstream JSBI, and this C++ port. Approximately 2 lakh iterations in 60 seconds with 0 divergence. Languages die, but code doesn't. JSBI restored the native with arithmetic. JSBI was always meant to have verified against the original test suite first 3 ways and honest about what it still need work. There are 0 unsafe pointers we can find, and everywhere we fell short. We said so in the decision log instead of hiding it. So let us move on the terminal to see the original test case. So here are we. So while running npm test 246 assertion across the core maths test, as in 10, as you in 10, clamping test, and the data view 64-bit interop test, all from Google's own test files, byte for byte, are passed. Now for the basic run for each file, you can run npm test core. You can also see that this test case has also been passed of original test.mjs. Running npm run test int n, you can see this is being also passed. Now running test of data view file, you can see this file is also successfully passed. Now at last, running the first iterations of npm run test, you can see the actual time by time test cases are passing. As you can see, after 60 seconds, approximately 393,000 iteration completed across 60 seconds with 0 divergence. With this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.